Respected speakers, friends, and colleagues, warm welcome to the online international conference on biodiversity conservation and tourism. Thank you so much for joining this event today. The conference is organized by Shikshan Vikas Mandal's Sri S.H. Kelkar College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Devgad, the Devgad College. The conference is organized in association with the Joint Director, Office of Higher Education, Konkan Region. I, Dr. Sukhada Jamle, in charge principal of Devgad College, Devgad, wholeheartedly welcome the galaxy of experts on behalf of Devgad College. The Department of Devgad College instrumental in organizing today's events includes the IQAC, Department of Environmental Science and the Department of Vocational Courses. Let me thank the Honorable Vice Chancellor of the University of Mumbai, Dr. Suhas Pednekar, and the Honorable Dr. Sanjay Jagtap, Joint Director of Higher Education, Konkan Region, Panvel, for their encouragement and support. Devgad College is very grateful for their support. Recent outbreak of COVID-19 has highlighted the absence of parallel system in service sector. Online teaching, learning and participation in research convention through e-sources have provided the better platforms. Work from home is turned into learn from home. Today's conference on biodiversity, conservation and tourism is one more attempt. The theme of the conference itself is a burning global issue involving several aspects, parameters and present status of the biodiversity along with the need of its conservation. Biodiversity itself has potential to develop tourism. This is the first such attempt by Devgad College which has received remarkable response. Today we have national and international participants from almost 8 countries, which includes Germany, Australia, China, Pakistan, Ethiopia, Nigeria, Trinidad, South Arabia. Interestingly, we have a mixed crowd of professors, researchers and students from the related and correlated subjects. We are really overwhelmed by tremendous participation and response. Thank you once again. Let me introduce the Devgad College to you briefly. The college has established in 1974 and now has flourished into educational hub in Konkan region. Over the years, we have clinched remarkable achievement in the educational field and we carry significant responsibility as the academic leader of the region. We are blessed with a location on west coast of Maharashtra with diversified natural resources, which is the inspiration and a key towards our future steps. Today's inaugural speaker is Dr. Sanjay Jagtap. It's my pleasure to introduce Dr. Jagtap. His principal area of research is phytochemistry. He has taught and researched for almost 28 years and has 25 publications and 2 books to his credit. He innovated and registered 9 gene sequences at NCBI. He has worked as member of Board of Studies for various universities such as Nagpur University, Shivaji University, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University and Mumbai University. He was also a member of extension of retirement age for Professor Scrutiny Committee at Mumbai and SNDT University. He is member of editorial board of World Journal of Pharmaceutical Science. He has also worked as state coordinator at RUSA, Government of Maharashtra, work as Joint Director of Higher Education, Amravati and Pune region. With this, I request Dr. Sanjay Jagtap, a versatile personality, to inaugurate our Biodiversity Conservation and Tourism Conference and to conduct the first session. Thank you all.